Good morning, everyone, wherever you are across the globe. This is me bringing you live feed from the forest, and this is a big tree with nest at the top part of this particular tree. You can see some round stuff out there. That's the nest. So you can see birds all over, A very huge tree. I'm having some shits on my face because of this. Birds are just dropping their shits all around, man. It's a huge tree. You can just stand under it and have a nice talk with your wife, but then you can't enjoy enough because of the shit they're gonna drop on your dress, So they are the yellow type of birds. This is a yellow type of bird. Okay.